Thank you for calling UrgentVet. Yes, ma'am, we are. We're here from 3 to 11. On Saturday and Sundays, we're here from 10 to 8. And on holidays, we're open from 12 to 8 p.m. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Hey, Tickle Baby!
Did you make a reservation? Okay, that's fine. If you just want to fill in all of these boxes here for our walk-in, we'll be with you as soon as we can, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, let's get you guys started. We'll take some towels real quick and get your little baby figured out. Check a weight. Alright. Then I'm going to get an ear temp, okay? Alright, sit still. Perfect. Alright, it's in normal range. The doctor will be in just a minute, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, I'm going to prepare this lick map as a fear-free measure for the doctor to come in, okay?
Come in.
Hey, what's going on with UV?
Yuvi's limping today.
Okay, well let's take a look at UV. I'm going to start by taking a listen to the heart and lungs.
Come in. Hi. I'm going to take Yuvi to get some x-rays real quick. And I'll be right back with him, okay? Thank you. All right, come here. Oh. Did you go, puppy?
No wrap. It'll be extra.
Hey, so we've got the x-ray results. Take a look at the radiographs with you here on the computer. You can see everything looks good. No fractures or dislocations, so we're just going to send on some pain meds and anti-inflammatories and see how we're doing on those.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Alright, so I have some meds here for UV and some goodies. So there's 2 medications in here for you.
Thank you.
And then a little tennis ball if you like to
Thank
play.
you.
And then I have a little bandana. You okay if I
Yeah,
put that
that's
on?
perfect.
Alright.
You're so cute.
Alright, then if you guys need anything, just let us know, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, take care.
Thank